Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a little vlog. Oh, I'm Bailey, by the way. I'm gonna do a little vlog type thing of me basically doing my real estate photography work. I kind of do real estate photography on the side. I don't do it all the time. I just have had like a few shoots, and I'm getting more into it and getting my name out there because I'm really interested in real estate and photography. So if you put the two together, real estate photography. Basically what I do is I go to houses that people are trying to sell. I work with primarily my one friend's mom, and I do shoots for the houses that she is trying to sell. I don't really know like if this is interesting. Like I don't know if anybody's gonna watch this video. I don't know. This is also just gonna kind of be like an after school type vlog because it's finals week and I got out of school at 11:10 today, so I'm very happy about that. Okay, my vlog camera literally just died, so I switched over to like my main camera, and it's not a vlog camera, but it's just gonna have to get the job done while I'm talking right now. I'm gonna go. My mom's waiting in the driveway. I just had to stop at my dad's because like I said, I was at school and I needed to come get my camera and stuff. Yeah, oh geez. I don't even know what this is. It's just like a little vlog. As far as the stuff that I bring to my shoots, I bring this camera. So this is like my primary like sit down filming camera, and then I have like 3 different lenses that I pack, or 4 different lenses. There's 2 lenses in here, these 2, and then there's one on my camera, and then I also have my newest lens that I bought myself for Christmas, and then I bring my tripod. I'll see you guys whenever I want to talk to you next. Me and my mom are in the car now, and we're going to the house, which we're trying to find right now. My vlog camera's at 2%, so I'm gonna charge it again, but okay guys, so I'm in the house now, and it's actually a really cute little house. This is like probably the living room, and then this is like the dining room or something. The kitchen, cute. 2 rooms upstairs, and then there's this room right here, and then there's a bathroom. So I need to go around, turn on all the lights. That's the first step. Holy sh! Some of the lights don't work. That's how a lot of the houses are that I come into that are like vacant and older. They don't have lights that work. So I'm going to quickly do a thumbnail. Oh my god. There's literally a hole in the floor. Okay, I usually start with the outside of the house, which you guys saw, and then I move on to like the kitchen and the living room, and then I do the bedrooms and the bathrooms last. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, kind of an awkward angle. I am vlogging on my phone, so sorry if the quality of the video or the audio is bad. I'm just finishing up the kitchen. I'm gonna get a few more shots, then I'm gonna transfer to my other lens, which is better for like up close. Okay. I think I'm gonna be done with the kitchen, and I'm gonna move on to the living room or the dining room. I don't really know. They just definitely like waxed or greased these floors or something because they are so slippery, like so slippery. I might completely like hurt myself. I should take some pictures now. Whenever I take pictures, this is literally what I look like. Oh my god, there's something in my eye. Okay, my vlog camera finally isn't at 2%. It's actually at 25 now, so I'm gonna continue taking some pictures. I just finished all of the downstairs rooms. I have no idea what this closet is. This is one of the upstairs rooms. There is so much echo in here. Hi. It's always so fun to go take pictures of a house because I get to experience a new house. That's a little high. Okay. Okay, and a bathroom. Okay, I'm a little scared. This is what I'm seeing. There's upstairs. There's like a bathroom. That's so weird. There's like a toilet and a sink. Okay. This door is so hard to shut. It doesn't shut. Okay. No, you can't. Okay, wait. Oh my god, I just fell on the ground. Nice little garage. I kind of want to come in here. Never mind, I don't. There's so much ice on the ground, I literally don't know what to do. Look at all this ice. Hey everyone, it's actually so much later now. So I got finished taking pictures around 2, and then me and my mom got Dairy Queen, but my vlog camera was dead, so I couldn't vlog. So we got Dairy Queen ice cream, and then I came home here to my dad's house. And I just want to tell you this to express to you how much finals is deteriorating myself. I literally came home. I got home around like 2:30 from taking pictures and getting ice cream and all of that, and then I laid on the couch and I started editing my photos, and before I knew it, I was asleep. And then before I knew anything else, it was 9 p.m. and I hadn't done anything for my finals or showered or done just anything productive. I've just been sleeping. I don't really know what to do because I need to study for my ELA exam in the morning at 7:30 because I don't know any of it, and I missed like a ton of school recently with like being sick and just like issues, and I missed like an entire movie that we watched, like an entire movie I missed, and we didn't like read the book on the movie, so it was literally just the movie, and I don't know what happened. There's just so much information, and it's like what we've done in the last like 6-7 weeks, and there's just so much that we've learned, so I'm low-key really scared for that one. Moral of the story is, do not take naps because you will sleep way longer than you mean to and just mess your life up. There's so many different factors that were bad about me taking a nap, because if I didn't take a nap, I could have been studying that whole time, and then I could have been like in bed, ready for bed, sleeping right now. But now I need to shower and study, and oh my goodness. I just got out of the shower, and then I did like my nighttime skincare routine. I honestly meant to film me doing it, but I just kind of got ahead of myself. I still need to study for my English final, and I have a presentation in health for finals at 12:15 tomorrow. Sorry, I don't know what else to say. Like, I don't know. I'll show you guys a little Glossier haul. I got 2 things recently, both from my friend Ryan. So this one is the Glossier Future Dew. This is like a serum type thing, oil serum hybrid. And then she also got me the Glossier Hollow Scope highlighter. It's just Glossier's stick highlighter. So, but this is a really good product if you don't love like super blinding highlight, or you want like a more natural look. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was really strange. Oh, I forgot I lit candles. Basically what I was saying, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was all over the place, and I know most of you guys probably have no interest in photography, or specifically real estate photography. I'm gonna go. If you guys want more videos like this, please let me know, because I don't know if you like them or if you hate them, because sometimes I feel like they're stupid, like when I just vlog random parts of my day, but sometimes I think they're kind of fun. Got it. Bye.